welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a first impressions of some new stuff I got in my Boxycharm, Boxy add-on, and a few things I picked up from the drugstore. Starting out, I'm prepping my skin with this Illamasqua Satin Primer. It is a lightweight primer that adds a nice glow to the skin while also hydrating it. I can't really tell if it prolongs my foundation, but by the end of the day when I wore this the first time, my skin looked nice and glowy by the end of the day. Not like sweaty glowy, but pretty glowy. I bought this Morphe 507 brush on the Boxy add-on last month because I've been really wanting this shape of brush to help carve out my eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with it, and I wish I would have bought two since it was discounted from $3 to the original $8. I took that brush into the Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which I received in my May Boxycharm. This palette is really pretty and nice and blendable. I want to try the shimmers in this palette again by next time wetting the brush. I just feel like it would help the shimmers pop more, whereas using it dry it left me wanting more. Here I'm using a wet Q-tip to help sharpen up the outer edge of my eyeshadow to help create a clean, sharp cat eye. This is my favorite trick when I'm doing my eye makeup. Next up, it's Half Cake Makeup's new mascara. I got the In the Heights one, which is the lengthening, and I saw it on Boxy add-on for $5 versus the usual $12, so I jumped on that. I'm usually not impressed with most mascaras because I always wear eyelashes, but this mascara I felt different. I'm thinking it's because it's a tubey mascara, so it really grips each eyelash, hence the name, and tubes each lash hair with pigment. I feel like you can tell that my eyelashes look longer than usual. Mine are pretty stubby. It's probably from wearing eyelashes every day, but this mascara made me feel like I don't always have to wear them. I mean, I do go in eventually and put new eyelashes on, but that's just me being extra. I use this Got To Be styling glue in my brows almost every day. I feel like it helps make them more defined, stay in place, whereas when I go to fill them in, I don't have to do too much. picked up about the most raved about eyebrow pencil on TikTok right now, which is the Nyx Brow Pen, and I got it in the shade Ash Brown, and I can definitely see the hype. It's definitely a learning curve for sure, but this pen is different from most where it doesn't actually like dry out halfway through, and it's really easy to make. They're like brush strokes. Next up is another boxy add-on item from the Creme shop. It's their Natural Cake Face Ultra Matte Translucent Powder. And as you can see, it really does mattify the skin nicely without looking heavy, even though it is called cake face. It also smells like vanilla cake mix, which I love. Not that I needed another highlighter, but I saw this one on boxy add-on from Persona Cosmetics, and I was curious. I got the shade Laguna, which is like one of the lighter ones, and it's definitely more of a yellow gold. But it did take me a bit of building up to make it like really intense. But I tend to like those more so that you can build up to your more like catered highlight look. So you're not always being so sparkly from space, but sometimes it's a little just more natural glowy. The last product I'm using was in my May Boxycharm too. When I first saw this product in my box, I was a little disappointed because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I have this stigma against like multi-stick products, but I actually really love this one. It's one of those multi-sticks where you can use it on your eyes, lips, and cheeks, which I guess you could do that with most makeup, but this one smells lightly of vanilla, and I don't know why I like it so much, but I think it's a really pretty natural lip color, and it looks really glowy on your cheeks as well. Okay, there you have it. This is my completed look. I feel like this could be a good bridal makeup look for sure. I'm getting married in September, so I'm going to do a series on my channel where I'm testing out a bunch of different bridal looks so I can figure out which one I want for the big day. So keep a lookout for those videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thanks, have a good day, bye!